Hey, you guys from Daniel's Supply Company. My name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilysis Solutions in Charlotte. As I told you over the phone, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country. And I was doing some research in your area when I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and also what's working well for your competition. So I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help you grow your business and help you bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking from you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics that we are going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, when we say content, we mean anything from anything that's on your front page, including the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, and which is content that is readable by the search engines. And the contents in our front page should be typically around 1500 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you guys here, looking at your page, is that you need to have relevant keyword-rich content that's unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help get your company rank as high as possible. And this takes us to the second thing that we're gonna go over with you, which is citations. And if we go here and we do a search in Google, basically about landscaping materials in your area, the first thing that you are going to see under the search query area is this map, where it gives us 3 results. You are the second result over here. And how can someone be in this section? This has to do a lot with citations, and naturally you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed in different directories all throughout the internet. A good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. You don't even need to have a website to rank here, as long as you do your citations and you have your business name, address and phone number, as we said earlier, with them, then you will rank here. So what would be tip number 2 is that just with citations, in order for us to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try and get in those directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. However, you don't want to just stop there. In order for you to really beat out them, you really need to do what they're doing and then adding a little bit more. So that's kind of what matters most as how to rank your company here in the maps. You're doing a fantastic job over here, but you can still be number 1. So it's time for you to work on that. And then the third thing that we're gonna go over with you is backlinks, and backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be, for instance, a blog from a landscaper that is working with you and did a story on you, and then they link the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly look services with you. So using a tool that we use here as in the agency, and that it's called Ahrefs, we get a good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. This is not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows us that you guys have 23 referring domains, giving you 177 backlinks. And if we go here, we can see that all the different websites that are currently linking to you guys, and a lot of these are citations. We see here with yellow pages, and there's a lot of directories in there. And in order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you're getting in as many places as your competition is in, and then you get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. Just like the citations with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places. That's giving you 274 keywords that I can see here, we can see here, and we can see also your position, or how, for which of them you are ranking. These are the words you are ranking in the first place, and these are words you are ranking in the second place, and you go and you search all of them, and you see what can be of use to you and what you need to work even harder. This is not, as I said, 100% accurate. This gives you a traffic of 138 people using your website every month approximately. And as I said, this is not 100% accurate, but it does gives us an idea of what's working for you. The most accurate and up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics, if you have that set up correctly. But what I can tell from here is that I get an idea of where your traffic is coming from. And if we take a look at some of your competition, we see that you are very close in terms of the traffic you are attracting. Organic keywords, they are ranking for more comparing to you, but we don't know the place. They have 15 referring domains. They have 40 backlinks. They are a little bit behind comparing to you, but you never know if they're gonna come after those backlinks of yours, and they're doing a great job, it seems, in citations comparing to yours. Although they have here, it seems that they have less backlinks. They might have done what we said earlier, because you don't really need to have a website to rank on the map section. Another thing that we noticed when we looked at your website is that you don't have we didn't see any social media. So to show you something, one of our customers that we're working with, this is their social media page, basically Instagram. We're doing this also, their Facebook. We took that account when it had only 26 followers, and it was following 0. And in about 2.5 months, we succeeded in having almost 700 followers. And we have done a good job, I think, in the content area. We have been posting articles that are very interesting for landscapers and everybody in your niche to read them. And what we did, because Instagram only allows you to have one link over here, we used a special program where someone clicks, and then you can click here, you visit the website, or you can go here and read the articles that we are posting. So someone interested in the article, we let them know to click the link in bio and then be redirected in this area where they can click and read the article that they are interested to. So guys, what we can say is that in general, and going back to the backlinks, you get some idea of the organic keywords that your competition is ranking. You're checking them, you see what you're not using, you trying to rank them also and use them for you to enrich your content and start ranking even higher. So basically it's the same thing that we were saying with citations. You truly try to make to use more keywords than your competition and rank for them as high as you can. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilysis Solutions can help your company grow and bring new customers on, just reach me out and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you, and just if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video. Thank you so much for your time, and hope to hear from you soon, guys. Bye bye.